Welcome to MTS Technik. My name is Kacper, I am one of the engineers here, and in this video I will walk you through a very special kind of suspension kit designed for the legendary BMW E30 3 Series. As you can see, this setup is slightly different than what we usually offer. Up front, you will find two sport shock absorber cartridges with shortened stroke and increased damping force compared to the original shock absorbers, so they can work perfectly with lowered suspension. We also included necessary parts like cartridge locking nut integrated with height adjustment block made of black anodized aluminum. You might be wondering, but why that solution? Well, it allows you to lower your vehicle without any welding required, and you can always revert to your stock setup if it's needed. All you have to do is just open your OEM front strut housings, swap in our cartridges, and lock them with provided locking nuts integrated with height adjustment blocks. Now, let's talk about springs. As always, we went with eibach. This kit features dedicated springs with progressive characteristics, ensuring comfortable ride without sacrificing sharp and precise handling the E30 is known for. Out back, you will find our lovely yellow sport shock absorbers. Just like the front struts, they also have increased damping force and shortened stroke compared to the OEM shocks. They also have integrated dust cover and bump stop. Rear suspension height is also adjustable with these black anodized aluminum height adjusters. Besides the suspension itself, in a box you will also get 3 wrenches, 1 for installation, 2 for regulation, 2 MTS Technik stickers, and any necessary documentation such as very comprehensive installation manual and a TUV certificate. Thanks for watching and see you next time.